Hi everyone, Carole here with Carole's Cricut Crafts. Today I'm so excited to reveal the bottoms up mystery box. Inside it you'll find some amazing goodies, including a brand new Violet Cricut Cutie. You'll find my affiliate purchase link and discount information right in the description below. A big thank you to everyone who shops through my links. Your support helps me keep this channel going and makes my group giveaways possible. Here's the gorgeous cutie. It's called Violet. Isn't it beautiful? I'll put a photo beside it right here so you can see it up close. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a brand new color. We've never had it before, and I have a feeling this color is going to go super fast. It's gorgeous. So let's see what else is included. We'll get this out of the way because it's big. We have a set of stackable mugs. And you know what? I have a project that I did for the stacking mugs for Christmas. Really cute. I'll share it again in the group, in my Facebook group, in case you want to use it. So a set of stackable mugs. We'll just push those out of the way. Then we have premium vinyl permanent 12 by 48 in yellow, maize yellow. Let's put that here. We have premium vinyl permanent in tomato red, again 12 by 48. We have holographic vinyl, a set of 3 sheets, each is 12 by 24. You have opal, blue, and pink colors. Gorgeous holographic vinyl. You can see them there. Beautiful. We'll put that here. This takes up a lot of room. We have transfer tape, a box 12 by 21 feet. A super nice roll of transfer tape. Amazing. We have cold activated permanent vinyl. Isn't this great? And it's light pink to dark pink. And cold activated. And it's permanent vinyl, in case I didn't mention it. And we also have heat activated dark to light. Isn't that gorgeous? These two are 12 by 24 and they're permanent vinyl. So dark to light for heat and light to dark for cold. This is the Cricut Bottoms Up Mystery Box. I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I will. As mentioned, just check the description below this video. You'll find my affiliate link and discount info, and thank you so much for using my links. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.